you going, guys? Matt from Diesel and Dust Off-Road here. Here we have the 2019 Ford Raptor X. Got it delivered to our workshop about 6 months ago, and this is the final result. The customers are taking it, last week, taking it off-road up to Kalbarri, brought it back. We're just going to check over a few things before we do a final handover. We'll point out a few things that we've done with the vehicle, starting at the front with the hammer bull bar. We got all LED integrated fog lights, recovery points. We got the 30-inch Stedi light bar at the front there with the cover on. Bash plates, it runs all the way through. We're running the KMC 17-inch rims with the TOYO Open Country RT tyres, 35-inch. Come this side. Running at the front, so this runs factory Fox shocks. We've also got the Pedders heavy duty springs to level the vehicle out and also give it a 2-inch lift, so allow the 35s to fit. Got the clear view compact mirrors installed, you can see here, so full viewing for towing. Got the XRS UHF radio, we've got the bonnet mount on the front with the XRS radio mounted on the dash inside. Moving to the top, we've got the Stedi STX Pro with the driving lights, DRR lights wired in as well. On top of that, we got the Enerdrive 150 watt solar panel. Got the Maxtrax holder with the 4 black Maxtrax on it. Now this also has full 360 lighting, except the Stedi 13-inch lights all around. So both left and front. And rear as well. So in here we got the XTM power box. So this has got all the SIP sockets, Anderson plugs, the solar input at the top here, running the Enerdrive 150 watt panel on top. Fusing, we've got our hardcore tri lights here, so we got the 50 centimetre on top of the canopy, and we've also got 2 1 metres underneath the sides here. So all colour changeable. We got yellow, warm white, bright white, and the one up the top as well. So in the client wants to get in the back here at night time, you can keep all the bugs and that away. So we got the dual ARB compressor wired up with the 4 litre tank. That runs all the way through to the start battery. And then coming up at the front here, we've got the air outlet and then also the switch for it as well. So the client's got quick access to air. On the right hand side of the vehicle, we managed to get the Milwaukee pack out kit, the first aid kit in there. So Phil from Ausmotion does these kits exclusively with his multi panels. So there's a quick adapter at the back that can come out, easy access. So that was another Australian first we did for the client for this vehicle. Moving around this side, we got the Rhinorack shovel with the quick release mechanisms, also key locked as well. So these haven't been on the market for a short while now. The Stowit kit on top here, which brings it all in. And we've also got the other Stedi light on the side here. We'll go around the other side and we'll show you the lithium battery hidden behind the rear seat. So inside the back here we have a DCS 100 amp lithium slimline battery with the Ausmotion battery bracket for it. Now this goes through underneath the floor through to the back of the tray and supplies all the power to the entire vehicle. The charging system on this is the Rhinorack BCDC 1225D, which is underneath the seat, and then that's connected to the start battery and then to the ignition trigger, so that this will run all the time. We'll take you to the front of the vehicle and we'll show you the switching. So inside here we've got the Stedi products. So we've put the 4-gang switch bracket underneath. We've also got the UHF just tucked down the bottom here. We got the Rhinorack Tow Pro V3 Elite. That's completely wired in for when he wants to tow. Now this also has our diesel and dust off-road media unit that runs HEMA, wiki camps, the whole like. Also kitted out with the Blackveu front and rear 2K camera system. This is also run off hotspot off your phone, so you can monitor this anywhere in the world. Has a 32 gig memory card slot in it also. And then also has the EVC Ultimate 9 X controller with Bluetooth in it. So we keep this in economy mode and lock it. And then when the client gets it, we give them the unlock code. And you can get in here and put it into Ultimate 9, and then also in Badger mode, being the Raptor X model. We'll move back to the front of the vehicle. So this vehicle was designed with the client in mind. He does a lot of trips up north, a lot of trips to Kalbarri. He also tows a Jayco pop-top caravan. This does have the upgraded towing capacity compared to the PX2 Ranger. So I think it is 3 tonne from memory. With the roof rack and the solar, it almost is a complete off-grid system. We do have an additional 200 watt solar blanket as well when he runs a secondary fridge or freezer, so that's opted in the back. So this will be getting at full detail handed to the client within the week, and then off to start the next build. Cheers guys.